not found error if they are try to open the Django admin login page or any other admin page. Since the Django admin login page is not available, your project should have a login page for users and staff. Once staff are logged in, they can open admin by default to access admin interface. So till now we install this to hide our admin interface and replace django.contrib.admin with hideadmin.apps.hideadmin.config in installed apps. Let's copy this and I just open my VS Code and here I am going to comment this line and I am going to paste this with one single quotes and this. So till now everything is okay, server is running okay. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe Code with Hafiz. On this channel you will learn Django, AI, ML and everything related today advanced technologies. So let's move. Let me open my admin site again and refresh this one more time. Log out, log in again. As you see, page not found, and I am on the admin. I am trying to hit this endpoint, but this will give me page not found. So in this way you will hide your Django admin, and with the use of this you will hide the admin and you will see page not found 404. The method is get and the URL which few minutes ago give us an admin interface login things for admin, but now with the help of this Django-hide.admin, when I apply on my project you will see nothing is showing, just show page not found. I am going to create one template file to understand better this logic. So inside this I am going to create a new folder with name templates, and inside this folder I am going to create another folder, my app. Inside this I am going to create one more file, index.html, and let me create some code for index.html code. To cover this topic I just write my code, and this is the home page in index.html. This is the h1 and this is the link to show register here and login here. After that I am going to create one more file, register.html, and I am going to paste here my code. After writing the register.html file code, I am going to create another file, login.html, another file, dashboard.html. Simple code for logout dashboard. This is our index dot, this is our login.html, and well, register.html is like this. After doing all this, we have to write views for all these. Forms.py. This is our forms.py file code. This is our views.py. Let me show all views. This is our urls.py file of our project, my project. And if I show you the my app urls.py, we have the for home page as well for login page, and for dashboard login and logout continuously. So let's see the views.py file, the home page, register, login, and then logout and dashboard. If I show you, everything is okay till now, our URLs are fine and our server is running condition. If I refresh this is our home page, registered here, email address, code with Hafiz at gmail.com. Register, manage passwords. So we have to use password can't be too similar. Personal at least 8 characters, numeric, so strong password. Let me register one more time.